Guess what? We released the shark into the tank. I gotta make a trip over somewhere. If you know what I mean. 2 houses down, another house. I got the biggest dog cage you've ever seen in your life to pick them up.
Bro, there's literally just a capybara walking around the backyard. Come here, whoa! Hey. Wow, that's one of the prettiest turtles I think I've ever seen.
Today's video is sponsored by DraftKings Sportsbook. DraftKings Sportsbook is an official sports betting partner of the NFL. New customers, all you gotta do is bet $5 on any NFL wager, and you will instantly receive $200 in free bets. It's literally a free $200. Plus, with same game parlays, you can now combine multiple bets from the same game, which is another added bonus. Now, for those of you who are in states that betting isn't allowed, don't forget about DraftKings Fantasy. Now, DraftKings has been around for a while. You know your cash is safe with them. You can instantly withdraw that money. Go download the app. New customers use the code Cuffaro to instantly receive that $200 when you place a $5 wager. Why would you not do that? I don't know. I asked myself the same thing. Click that link down below. Thank you, DraftKings, for sponsoring today's video. Without further ado, let's get back into it. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. I'm back. It's been 6 days. That's the longest I have ever taken in the 5 years of making YouTube videos. That was a much needed 6 days off, I'll be honest with you. Life has been crazy. I'm here in the fish room and nothing's really changed in here. To be honest, I took the 6 days off, literally. Before we get started though, I have 2 giveaways that I told you guys I would do in the next video. Drum roll please, because we have 2 winners. Congratulations to Sarah for winning the shark clip, the actual clip that the shark was hanging on and then hatched from. Didn't actually hatch from a clip, but you know what I'm saying. Congrats, Sarah. Make sure to email me. I commented back to your comments so that there wouldn't be. Email me. Drum roll please for this beautiful tank. Congrats to Susan. Susan, you won this awesome tank. I will ship it out immediately. Email me. Many more giveaways to come, so if you didn't win, I know there was thousands of entries. Don't be sad. Right, there's gonna be more. Our little angler fish is so tiny. I honestly wish I got a bigger one. This is very, very small, and it's gonna take him a lot of time to grow. And to be honest, one of the most boring fish I've ever bought in my life. It was really cool. Very crazy looking fish, as you know, but so boring. It doesn't do anything. It just literally sits there and crabs on a rock. It doesn't do anything but that. The eating part's cool, but he's a baby, so he doesn't like, if I drop a ghost shrimp in there, I don't even get to see him really eat because he doesn't eat off rip. I should have got a bigger one, but hey, he'll grow. That's the best part. Let's get the heck out of the fish building. Oh, if you haven't seen the lights, I mean, wow. It looks like it's gonna rain, which I hate. Oh my goodness, it's good to be back. Now, by be back, I don't mean I'm gonna be posting every other day off rip. I gotta get back in my groove, you know what I'm saying? But I'm here. All the pigs, hey guys, what's going on? Everyone's eating their breakfast this morning. Everyone's out right now. They're still eating, Lady May and Mango. All the goats are just laid out, kind of chilling. The goats are the first ones to always know whether the rain is coming or not. They are ready for this. They're in their fun hay over there. That's not the hay they eat, they just have fun in it. This enclosure looks great though. Let's go eat some food. Gary, okay. I'm not even adding subtitles to that because I don't even know what he's telling me right now. Look at it, it's clogged again. Dang fountain. Tell you what though, this enclosure is looking good. The whole backyard looks amazing. I mean, just look at this place. Coming along so great. Sometimes I don't really notice, but I move around so much in these videos that you don't ever really just get a steady look at the backyard. You know what I'm saying? Like just one good pan of the entire backyard. Come along the building here. That was a full 360 or 180. I think I did half the yard. Yeah, gives you a better look at the backyard. Oh yeah. I gotta make a trip over somewhere, if you know what I mean. About 14 seconds away, literally 2 houses down, another house. I know what you're thinking, Paul, you bought the house? No, I didn't. Unfortunately, I didn't. I'll take a ride in here. Let me show you how cool this house is. This is obviously the back. Look at this. Oh yeah, that is one heck of a pond. It's a big pond. It takes up almost a quarter of this entire property. There's literally no backyard. This is the back of the house. This is the pond. Same exact size lot as my house, 2 houses over, but this one has a massive pond in the backyard. And I see a bunch of soft shells, actually, soft shell turtles. They've got their heads sticking up. This is the property I was actually going to get, Brenton. If you remember, I told you if we got 100,000 likes in 48 hours, I would get it. We got up to about 60, I think close to 60, 55,000 likes. A lot of likes. I'm gonna give you guys one more shot at this. This is a horrible investment of a property. People don't want to buy this house. That's why it's not sold yet, because it has a giant pond in the backyard. Children hazard. The inside's definitely not up to par, but I will make this purchase of $500,000 if you guys get 100,000 likes in 48 hours. I'm telling you, I will at least put my offer in on what I believe this is worth at 100,000 likes. So smash the like button, 100,000 likes. I will literally put an offer in on this $500,000 house. Oh, I can't believe I just said that, but I'm down. Okay, but you gotta get 100,000 likes, 100,000 thumbs ups, and you know, maybe I'll buy the house 2 houses down. Look at the soft shell. See him? See him? Oh, he just went down. All right, let's get out of here. Oh yeah, that's gonna need a water system and AC unit too. That's just fantastic. Don't hit the like button, please. Anyway, yeah, literally leave the house. Count with me, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seconds and we are back home at my house. 8 seconds away that house is. Been gone for 6 days. I need to update you on a lot of things. Okay, shark, saltwater fish tank. We're gonna do another fish stocking soon, but I'm actually working on curing a little bit of sickness that's going around the tank. As you can see, the fish are fine, but I have been dosing the tank with some of this, and I just bought some more stuff on Amazon that's coming now, and I'm gonna have to do another dose of that. The fish are a little sick, unfortunately, but as you can see, they're all still eating, which is massive, it's huge. The clownfish doesn't look too good. Saltwater tank issues, man. I've been in talks with Jed from Top Shelf. One of the fish we brought in must have had a little bit of sickness and got the whole dang tank, which is unfortunate, but that's part of the hobby. Things happen. I continue to dose the tank with this, and I just hope that that solves it. If not, I don't know. Hopefully we don't have to worry about the if not. Fish are moving around. They're active. They're eating, which is massive. And guess what? We released the shark into the tank. And you know, I didn't even film it because it's so anticlimactic. I literally just dumped the basket and the shark swam into the tank. But I will show you the shark. There you go. He's right there in the back corner. He's actually grown a little bit as well. I have tried to feed this shark quite literally everything in Mother Nature's ability to. That made absolutely no sense, but you know what I'm saying. Squid, clam, shrimp, go shrimp, clam, squid, grow shrimp, clam. A lot, everything. You could literally name anything. I've tried to feed it to the shark. The stinkier, the better, I heard. Tried to stick. I put in front of his face and he didn't eat it. And that's about as stinky as it gets. I'm just totally kidding. Bottom line is I fed this shark literally everything I could possibly think of and he didn't eat. So I believe now that he's out roaming around, it'll help. And from yesterday's feeding, he looked like he might have stuck his head up and actually got a little bit of clam. Saltwater tank though, looks fantastic. It is doing well. Now we have this 120-gallon turtle pond right here. This is one of my favorite things I've ever made. And inside this, we have a bunch of turtles. We have this little African side-necked, not so little anymore. He's actually grown and he's so healthy. We've got a bunch of little fish that just swim around. This guy's about ready to get into here once I finish this. I've been working on this too on my days off. I've just kind of been messing with it. Cool waterfall and stuff. I don't know when it's gonna be done, but yeah, I've been working on that for fun. We've got some Indian spotteds in here as well. These guys are getting big too. Look at the size of them. Oh, look at the size of them now. We have a tilapia somewhere. I think he's in here. Yeah, it's a tailless tilapia. Look, he has no tail. Literally no tail. I've grown him since he was like an inch long. He just lets me pick him up. He's like my kid. There's a couple turtles in here, but as you can see, I mean, if I just showed the tank, you can't really see anything because there's not enough. We need more. So in today's video, we are gonna head over to my buddy Blake's house and we're gonna pick up some really, really cool turtles. Exotic baby turtles. It's about an hour-and-a-half drive, so without further ado, let's get on the road.
There's 6 of them. The last bigger ones, but they're all colorful, they're nice.
Oh yeah. We're here, Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch. How you doing, sir?
What's up?
It's good to see you. You back from Africa,
Africa,
Indonesia,
Louisiana.
He's all over the place.
Virginia yesterday.
Guy's crazy. We're here to pick up some ducks. I got the biggest dog cage you've ever seen in your life to pick them up. And we're gonna get some baby turtles while we're here too.
Oh, you're gonna get some turtles?
Yeah.
All right,
I'll buy a little bit of baby turtles. He sells baby turtles too.
Let's do it.
There's a big old capybaras over there.
Yeah, we don't want to spook the captains too much. We're gonna try to move the ducks that way. Load them up, get them. Yeah, so they are the Gucci Gang mixed call ducks. So they'll stay small, but they're nice. They won't fly.
Perfect.
They're nice colors.
Thanks for the ducks, Blake.
Well,
this was unexpected. We have 4 more, so 6 ducks total. Didn't know I was getting ducks today, but looks like we're adding more to the farm, which our duck enclosure is huge, as you saw earlier. So we have plenty of space for these beautiful little ones. And a lot of friends at home for them. Thanks for the duck. Appreciate that. Oh my God! He knew where to go. The little one. He doesn't even have all his feathers yet. Look at his little head.
Or there's literally just a capybara walking around the backyard. Look how crazy that is. Hey, bud.
World's largest rodent. What a weird animal, but so cool. I would love to have one of those.
Such a crazy animal. Come here. Whoa. Hey, buddies.
Unfortunately, the landscapers are next door, but I had to show you.
The little otters. Hey. Let me see your hand. Oh. Oh. So cute. Oh. There they go. What an enclosure too.
So cool. Dream animal. We got our ducks. Yeah.
Yep, so those are the last of the mixed ducks here on the ranch, and they're gonna be perfect for you. These guys will have babies with no problem at your ranch, so just be careful.
They'll actually hatch the eggs.
Yes, they're not like the thinking ducks. They will actually hatch the eggs.
Got it.
Themselves.
We might have some baby ducks out there soon. We are over here at the aquatic turtle section of Blake's house.
Yeah. So right here we have a little common snapping turtle. We have a ton of these guys available. They're all down here just doing their thing, and they're starting
Look how many, dude.
smell too. My God.
Yeah, they do musk a lot.
Yeah.
Bunch of these little tiny snapping turtles, like so many of these little guys. Hey, little guy.
Full tails, pretty. These are Garoffi side neck turtles. Real neat little guys. Nice.
What are they called?
Pretty sure they're called Garoffi side neck turtles. They get around 6 to 8
Oh my
inches.
gosh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a nice little size one right there.
Wow, that's one of the prettiest turtles I think I've ever seen. Can I get this one?
Yeah, 100%. It's available.
Sweet, sold.
You can put them there for now, and I get you a container.
Absolutely stunning.
Then we have a couple little pink belly side neck turtles.
Just got 2 of those things, and they are tiny. So I just had gotten 2 of these little side necks, so we're not going to get any of these.
But then if you look,
oh my gosh, these little albinos. Look at
look right here, albino pink belly side neck.
Albino. How much is that?
So I have it on the website for $400.
Wow,
But
dude, they are pricey.
you know, you're here on the ranch, so it's a little different.
Look at this little guy.
Those are albino softshell turtles.
Hey, buddy. I got a big one of you coming soon.
Northern red bellies. Cool little guys. These are like not too dark, you know what I mean? Not too light. But then we have these over here, and these are like more fire looking. Real bright shells on the back, and then real light on the bottom.
Wow.
A little different.
You got a lot.
You have a good amount. I don't really breed the aquatics. I have a really good friend of mine that's the breeder, so I buy them from him, and then I sell them out for myself. All the other turtles, tortoises, and wood turtles, I keep for myself, and I breed them here.
That is super cool. We always love coming to Blake's. I mean, there's all sorts of stuff. Look at these things.
Tons of different wood turtles.
These ones you said aren't so much in the water.
They're half and half. It's a spotted leg wood turtle.
I think we're just gonna stick with maybe just the one.
That one right there?
Yeah, that one's really nice.
Cool.
I like that. And that's called a what? That's what that's called.
Yep.
Goodness gracious.
Cool little guy. And when I put them on the website, they were half the size. So this is a real nice, well-started one for sure.
Good
Already
stuff.
almost 2-3 inches.
Beautiful.
Perfect.
Let's get them boxed up and get on the road. We got ducks and a turtle.
There you go.
I gotta go visit my friend Marty over here. Hey, buddy. Hey, what are you playing with a stick? Marty! Marty! Hey, hey! That's the coolest thing ever.
That is so cool.
Love that bird. Always got to say hello to him if I come. Ready? Go! Go! Go, little ones! Go! Gary immediately takes over as the father figure. Look at him. Yeah! We got more ducks to the pond, and it looks like really we didn't add many at all, but 5 more? 5 more ducks. You ready to go put a turtle in now? Let's do it. Let's do it. We are in the fish building, and our new turtle is ready to go. As you can see, all I gotta do is open the top, and he's like, let me out of this little tiny container. I love his little face. Look at that little face. He's so cute and beautiful, and the colors are just like no other we've ever had. Look at the beautiful coloration. Aww. Fellas, another one added to the collection. I wanted to get a little bit bigger of a turtle so we'd see him more. You know, good sized tank, so. 120 gallon turtle tub. We're gonna put him right here and let him run in. Ready? He's not gonna take long. Oh. He goes, he's exploring in his new home. He's like, whoa, this right here is something I have never seen before. I think he's excited. He looks a little lost. He looks just a little bit lost, but he'll get used to it and he'll meet his other friends in there and be like, oh my goodness, this is turtle paradise. Thank you so much for watching, Cuffaros. If you did go on to enjoy the video, please smash that like button. Big shout out to DraftKings for sponsoring today's video. The links are down below in the description, and I'll see you right back here with another banger. Peace!